Hello everyone. So today we are going to start with the Bootstrap series. So first of all, we will learn what exactly the Bootstrap is and why it is important. So Bootstrap is basically, it is a very popular open source front-end framework. So if you already have completed the HTML and CSS, so you will aware that if you want to create a web page, so you need to write a lot of HTML code for that one. So in Bootstrap, what will happen? Your work will be reduced. Everything will come in the form of predefined classes. So why basically this Bootstrap will be used? So in the Bootstrap, you will find the grid system. Meaning if you want to divide your page, you can easily divide by using the grid system. It is a responsive design. Suppose if you want to open in the mobile, laptops or desktop, automatically sizes will be changed as per the layout. So that is nothing but responsive design. Pre-style component. Pre-style component is nothing, but already the predefined components are available like buttons, form, navigation bars and all that you can use it. JavaScript plugins are available and you can also do some customization. So all this process, I wanted to start in today's lecture where I will explain you the complete practical classes. So let us start with this. So here, first what I will do to use the Bootstrap into your program, we need the Bootstrap link. So first I will go to the Google and search for the Bootstrap. So let us type Bootstrap. Whichever the first link you will get it, click on that link. Here everything I am telling you the online process. So make sure your internet must be on to use this one. You will get this search bar. Search here, start. You will get here first link, quick start. Click on this. Now what you have to do when you come to this page, here program number 1 and program number 2 are there. So in the program 1, they have given the basic HTML format, and in program 2, they have given the CSS and JS which is required for the Bootstrap. And this is a serial link where you can use Bootstrap without any downloaded version. So we wanted to create dynamic and online version. So I will copy this code. I copy it from here. Now what you do? Open the PyCharm first. So those who don't have the PyCharm, they can work on the Notepad or any one of the, like, if you are having Eclipse, you can work on Eclipse. Wherever you want to work, you can work it. Just normal one. You should have one. What we call this text editor. You must have. Okay. So let us take the HTML file. Go to the new. Click on HTML. Give the HTML name. Let us say I am giving program 1 and enter. So this is my HTML page. Delete everything, make it blank and paste whatever you copy. From Bootstrap website, we copied this, you paste it. And what you do, here you will find this link, click on Chrome. So my data is coming. Sir, but how I will know whether my Bootstrap is working or not? This is a normal HTML. So for that, what I will do is, just for testing purpose, I will write before this H1, I will write one div tag, div class container, and close this div. And this closing div, I will delete from here and I will write after. Means in between this div tag, I am writing the hello. Save it, go to your browser and just refresh it. Automatically see space we got it. So basically container is nothing but left and right. You will get one space by default. That is a basically container concept. We are going to learn, but just I am checking here how whether it is Bootstrap is working or not. I will tell you how, where, and how to use that container classes. All these things we'll discuss. Okay. Everybody clear now? So now my Bootstrap is ready. Within this body, whatever extra code is there that you remove, script should be there because if you use the JavaScript, that time it is required. Right now it is not required. If you want to delete, you can delete, but I will suggest keep like that one. Now, first, what you should remember, whenever we deal in a Bootstrap, So the most important thing is grid system. Grid layout is very, very important. What is grid layout? Suppose this is my page, guys. This is white concept is called the body. In the body, this starting to ending, suppose I say from here to here, this space is considered as a row. Means if I want to write anything in the full width, that is considered as a row. So let me write one row here. So I'm writing here div class row. So row is basically what I told guys. It is a complete from starting to ending point. In that, how many parts you want to divide? Those are called the columns. So basically in real time, one row will have the 12 columns. So how can I divide that column? So you can write here div class column. And here I will write 1. So if I write like this 1, I will copy and paste it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 12. So I'm writing 11 and 12. And we can change the numbering 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So what I did, I created one row guys. Row means complete from start to end. In that basically how many columns we can create? Max 12. So div open class column and inside that I wrote 1 just to understand. I wrote this 1, 2 like this. How many columns I created? 12. Save, come here and refresh it. So I got it number 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see automatically that space will come. But sir, we are not able to see it separately. So I will add some code and I will show you practically. What I will do, I will write some CSS. I will go here. I will write style. I will write call because it is a class. We have to write dot class. What we'll do, we'll write border 1 pixel solid red. Now you can see that cap guys. So what is the meaning? One row is divided into how many parts guys? 1. Now you will say, sir, this left hand side and right hand side, I want some space. So what you have to do it, in that case, this complete code which you wrote just now, you copy this and delete. Whenever you want left and right space, I told you, you should write the class called container. While you are writing, it is very carefully spellings. Within the container, if I write any code, now that copy code, I will paste it. Now what will happen? Container is basically meaning now left and right space automatically it will take. Now see my columns are okay here 12 actually to 11 I wrote 2 times. I will change it to 12. Okay. So when you write inside the container guys, so what will happen? Basically rows is 12 parts. Whether you write with the container, the size will be little bigger. When you write inside the container, left and right side space is skip and this is divided into 12 parts. So basically, this is a row is how many parts are there, guys? 12. Now next, sir, your requirement is not 12. Suppose you want to divide this only into the 3 parts. Let us say 3 means this is 1 part, this is 2 part, and this is 3 part. 12 divided by 3. How many guys? 4. It means one block I want 4 size. So in that case, what I can do here is I will come down. Always remember more than 12. If you write anything, automatically it will take it down. Now I want the separate row. So let us create one more row. Div class row. Now in this row, guys, one more thing, guys. I am writing inside the div. This is div is closing. Inside means automatically that left and right space will be adjustable. Okay. I want div class column. How many columns? 4 column. When I write call 4, it means at a time it will take 4 that columns. Like this, how many things we want? 3. So 1, 2, 3. Make sure this total of this column should be 12. Then it is considered as a row. Save, come here and refresh. Okay, now it is not coming because nothing I have written here. So I will just write here 4, 4 and 4. If you write any content, automatically it will take it. Now you see 4, 4 and 4 is. But here border is not coming. Why? Because border I gave only for call, not for call 4. So if you want to add the border for call 4, you can come here dot call 4. I will give the border as black. So I'll write border 1 pixel solid black. So like this, you can consider. See, 4. Suppose you want to make only 2. In the 12, you want to divide into 2 parts. So each size is how much? 6, 6. So come here. You take one more row. Okay, starting only I will write this for 6 column. So copy paste this. Take it as what? 6 column. Instead of black, I will change the color to green or yellow, anything. Come down. What I told, this is the div tag, guys. So last one is div. Inside that you take one more row, class row. How many parts I want, guys? 2 parts. So write div class. 2 parts means what? Call 6. That is very important. This is copy one more time. Okay, let us see if I copy 3 times, what will happen. I want how many? 2, but I copied 3. Then you can see, okay, some matter you write it down so that you can see something is there or not. See, 2, I copied 3 in a row, but in row how many coming? 12. If more than 12, automatically it will jump to the next row. That is very important point you should remember. So basically, this is called the grid system, guys. Grid means that row in how many parts you want to divide. Sir, but how we will use in real time? So let us take a simple example and try to understand about this grid. Suppose you want to write the paragraphs. You want to write what? Paragraphs. So guys, this row I don't want. I'm removing. First row I don't want. Otherwise, remove, do one thing. Complete you remove. We don't want anything. I'm removing everything. Only what I'm putting. Container also I don't want. Making blank and try to explain you with one more example. Style also I don't want. Remove everything. Okay. Everything is blank. Now what I want to create the 3 paragraphs side by side. So how can I create? So div class container. Container means what? Left and right space I want. That's why I put container. If you don't want, remove it. Inside that, compulsory you should take what? Row. So let us take the row. Row is done. In the row, how many paragraphs I want? I said 3. If you want 4, 5, it is your wish. So row is 12. I want 3. So 12 by 3, how much? Each column should be 4. So I will take div class call 4. Call 4 is basically, this is for 1. Now inside the 1, I want to write one paragraph, guys. But I want to write one paragraph. So this I will copy paste 3 times. So if don't get confused, this div open close carefully, copy this 4 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. Now I want to write some paragraph. So come, go to the Google, search for any data. Let us, I will go to our website PR Softwares. I will take some data from here. Copy this data. Go to your page and paste it in the paragraph. This is paragraph, paste it. Come down, go to second paragraph, paste it. Go to third paragraph and paste it. Okay. Nothing I did. Save the program and click on this button. So 1, 2, 3 paragraphs you got. Did I write any code? Nothing. You want to set the title? Come to your page. So wherever paragraph is there, just before that you add one H3 or H1, whichever tag you want. I will write heading 1, whichever heading you are having. So copy this one and paste it at all the 3 places. This is one place. Heading 2, this is second place. Make sure inside the column 4 only. And this is the third place. So what I did inside the column, 3 headings is added in each path. See, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. You will say, sir, heading I want in the center, not at the side. So for H3 tag, you can come here. You can write what? Class text center. So actually guys, here it is coming because we give third, I was checking second. So see, third is center. You write for all, go to your code, you copy and paste it for all, you will able to see it. Let us try for one more, paste it.